Hello everyone, today I have a really interesting video and less than 5 minutes you will learn how to train an effective face recognition classifier and even learn multiple deployment options. You don't need any programming knowledge or need to install anything to work with this. An internet connection with the browser is sufficient unless you are using your Internet Explorer. So the tool we are using is Teachable Machine version 2. So just open your browser and write Teachable Machine with google.com. Okay, so click on image project. Here you have two classes, class 1, class 2. Upload images to class 1 or take the images using webcam. So I am uploading the images to class 1. So for example, I am uploading my own images and class 1. Okay, so upload more images in class 2 of some another person. For example, I am uploading images to class 2. Okay, if you want to add another class, so click on add a class. I am adding another class. I am uploading images to this class. Say for example object 33, control A, open. So I am giving names to these classes. This is my images, so I will write my name MHM double OD class 2. For example, I will write name subject 1 and I will write name subject 2 for class A. Okay, so next step is to click on train model. So training data is preparing.